Today we shall follow the formulae from ratios of complementary angles. Let us take the problem is so that sin A into cos A plus sin A into cos 90 degree minus A into cos A by sec A sec 90 degree minus A equal to minus cosec A sin 90 degree minus A sin A by cosec 90 degree minus A equal to 0. Now solution: sin A into cos A sin A cos 90 degree minus A equal to sin A. From this complementary angles, cos 90 degree minus A equal to sin A into cos A sec 90 degree minus A equal to cosec A sec 90 degree minus A equal to cosec A. Similarly, cos A and sin 90 degree minus A equal to cos A into sin A sin 90 degree minus A equal to cos A from complementary angles, ratio of complementarity. Now sin A into cos A sin sin square A by into cos A by cosec A equal to 1 by sin A cosec A equal to 1 by sin A, we know from the previous formula. Now cos A into cos A equal to cos square A into sin A by sec A equal to 1 by cos A equal to 1 by cos A from the previous formula. Now sin A into cos A plus sin A into sin A, that is sin cube A into cos A minus cos A into cos square A equal to cos cube A sin A. Here we will take common sin A cos A. When it is taken common is 1 plus sin square A minus cos square A. Now sin square A, it will be minus here, minus. Now this is sin cube A cos cube A sin A, and sin A cos A 1 minus sin square A minus cos square A. Taking common, it is 1 from here. We will take common 1 minus 1 is taken common. Here it is sin square A plus, when minus is common, it will be plus. So it is sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Sin A cos A into cos A sin A cos A into 0 equal to 0. This is right hand side. This is so that it is 0. It is 0. Next, the problem is for a triangle ABC, so that tan B plus C by 2 equal to cot A by 2. Solution: in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree, because sum of three angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Therefore B plus C equal to 90 degree 180 degree minus A. Therefore B plus C by 2 equal to 180 degree minus A by 2, that is 180 degree minus A by 2 by A by 2 equal to 90. It will be 90 degree minus A by 2. 90 degree minus A by 2. Here B plus C by 2 equal to tan B plus C, given that tan B plus C by 2 equal to tan B plus C equal to 90 degree minus A, because B plus C equal to B plus C by 2 equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. It is 90 degree minus A by 2 equal to tan, we know that tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta, so it will be, this is tan 90 degree minus A by 2 equal to cot A by 2. This is proved. Again, one, that to evaluate, that means to find the value of, evaluate means to find the value of 2 tan 57 degree by cot 30 degree minus cot 70 degree by tan 20 degree minus root 2 cos 45 degree. Here 2 tan 57 degree equal to 90 degree minus 57 degree, that is 33 degree. So 57 equal to 90 degree minus 53 degree. Tan 90 degree minus 53 degree by 33 degree. Here also tan 57 degree equal to tan so cot 70 degree. Cot 70 degree, cot 90 degree minus 20 degree by tan 20 degree into root 2 1 by root 2, because cos 45 degree value of cos 45 degree to root 2. Cos 45 degree to root 2. These are root 2. And 2, this is tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. So cot theta, cot 30 degree. These are also cot 30 degree, they will cancel each other. Here cot 90 degree minus theta equal to tan theta. Here also 20 degree, here also 20 degree, they will cancel each other. So it is 2 into 1 minus 1 minus 1. That is 2 into 1, 2. 1 and 1, it will be minus 2, that is 0. So the value of this quantity is 0. Next, in triangle number 4, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, to find the value of this one. This is right angle. This is right angle. Sec A into cosec C minus tan A into cot C by tan B. To find out its value. Now 1 minus sin square. Next, without using the trigonometrical table, to evaluate this one. Sec square 57 degree minus tan 33 degree. 33 degree equal to 57 degree. 33 equal to 90 degree minus 57 degree. 33 equal to 90 minus 57. Next, cos 45 degree, cosec 46. 46 means 90 minus 44. 90 minus 44. It is root 2 cos 45 degree, cos 45 degree, and tan square 60 degree. Here cosec square 57 degree, tan 90 degree minus theta, tan square 90 degree minus theta equal to cot square theta, plus cos 44 degree and cosec square 90 degree minus theta, cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta, that is sec 45 degree to root 2 cos 45 degree minus tan square 60 degree. Sec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is also sec square theta equal to minus 1, and this is equal to cos square 44 degree and sec 45 degree, sec equal to 1 by cos. Sec equal to 1 by cos 2, and cos 45 degree value cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and tan 60 degree equal to root 3. So it will be root 2 cancel out, and root 3 whole square. That is only 3. Here it is 1, this is 1, that is also minus 1, and it is minus 3. The total is root 2. Here we must follow the formulae from ratios of complementary angles. Ratios of complementary angles.